Here is a short tutorial on using the advanced search features of the Big Ten Academic Alliance Geoportal, which contains more than 100,000 geospatial data resources, including scanned maps, aerial imagery, and many important vector and raster datasets. In this video, we will explore how to search for vector datasets. Today, we are going to imagine that we want to find data about redlining from the 1930s and 1940s for several Pennsylvania cities, in order to do analysis with current census data. The plan is to try to illustrate instances where different degrees of discriminatory and racist practices of financial lending may continue to have an impact on today's landscape. We can initially try keywords like redlining or HOLC for the Homeowners Loan Corporation, the group that made maps describing these areas. The easiest way to begin the search is to use the text search tool to look for the term redlining. This will focus and limit possible results to only those items whose metadata closely match with this search term. Notice that there are options to search by place, resource class, resource type, time period, as well as language, creator, provider, and whether or not a dataset is public or restricted to those from a specific university. Because we're looking for Pennsylvania, we can click on Pennsylvania among our place options. This will help narrow our results to only Pennsylvania. The map is also a filter. Notice that when I zoom into an area and search when I move the map is checked, there are fewer results available. Only results that are fitting into this bounding box will be displayed on the middle panel. We can continue to use resource type to further narrow down our datasets. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll simply click on the first option, Redlining Maps from the Homeowners Loan Corporation, Pennsylvania, 1937. In some cases, it will be necessary to click Visit Source to see the original location in order to download the dataset. This usually takes you to a third-party site, and in this case, the Western Pennsylvania Regional Data Center. There will be numerous options available for different types of formats. In this case, we'll download a shapefile. This is not always the case. Some results will allow you to see a preview of the available options. In this example, we can see a preview of the polygons representing different delineated areas graded A, B, C, or D by the Homeowners Loan Corporation. Our preview also allows us to click on individual items to see whether or not the vector datasets have the type of data in their attributes that we're looking for. In this case, I can see that there is an HOLC grading indicating whether or not something was designated as an A, B, C, or D. Grades such as D will show us that at the time of the map production, the Homeowners Loan Corporation had designated this a hazardous area. Thank you for watching.